Pre-intermediate 5. The importance of lifelong learning. In the past, people used to believe that education ended once they graduated from school or university. However, in today's rapidly changing world, the concept of lifelong learning has become essential for personal and professional success. Technologies and job markets evolve so quickly that the skills we learned 10 years ago might be outdated today. Therefore, staying curious and open to new information is a necessity rather than a choice. Lifelong learning is not limited to formal classrooms. It can include online courses, reading books, attending workshops, or even learning a new hobby like photography or coding. Furthermore, continuous learning has significant benefits for our mental health. Engaging the brain in new activities helps to keep it sharp and can reduce the risk of cognitive decline as we age. It also boosts our self-confidence because achieving a new skill gives us a sense of accomplishment. Socially, it allows us to meet people who share similar interests, expanding our community. Many people claim they are too old to learn something new, but researchers show that the brain is capable of adapting at any age. Whether it's learning a foreign language or understanding how to cook a complex dish, the process of learning keeps our lives vibrant and meaningful. We should all strive to be students for life.